Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at some headphones. What I have here is the Tozo OpenEgo True Wireless Open Ear Headphones. The company was nice enough to send me one of these for review. First thing first, let's check the box. Now you can end up getting these ones in the black or white. And let's check a little bit of specs on the back. So it does have the built-in LED digital display on the case, 16.2 millimeter dynamic drivers. So these ones should give you a really good sound. And then of course we do have that open ear design. These headphones also do have dual mic, which is pretty amazing. Now let's open it and see how they look and also what comes inside this little box. And let's open it. All right, here we go. Really nice packaging. Let's check the paperwork. So we have a little bit more info here. And then we have a quick start guide. Let's check some of that. So Bluetooth pairing, smart touch controls. And then of course we have the case info as well. We'll put that on the side for now. We'll probably end up needing that. And then we have another user manual. Just gotta say the packaging itself is really nice. So let's pull out the case and then let's check the cable, and I'm not sure what else is inside, but let's open that first, then we'll check out the case and of course the earbuds themselves. And let's open that up. All right, so here we go. We got the, and we also have something else on the other side. Let me see if I can get that from this end, but I'll show the cable in a little bit as well. And yeah, we do have a little bit more stuff here. All right, so we have extra set of the tips, really nice. Let's put those on the side. They do seem some kind of rubber material. And let's put those on the side as well. Let's put this. Now let's check the cable. The cable is USB-C to Type-A. You can end up using any USB-C cable, so it really doesn't matter. It is short, but which is normal with most of the headphones. So good thing about it is USB-C, so you can end up using any cable. Now here we go with the case itself. We have USB-C on the back of it for charging. It does look really nice. All right, let's open this. We do have that LED, which is very, very visible, so you can even see it in the dark. Now let's pull these ones out. Let's pull both of them. The headphones themselves do appear pretty light, which is something I definitely like. Alright, so I ended up pairing them and using them for a little bit. I wanted to get the feel, how comfortable they are, also how the audio is and all that. So first thing first, let's start with the connection. To connect it, it's actually pretty easy. All you have to do is just pretty much take it out of the case. For me, for example, they are already paired, but once you have them out, all you have to do is just hold this for 3 seconds. So this will kind of be like a power button. Now, both of these do end up turning on and off separately, so keep that in mind. But to pair them, all you have to do is just hold that on one of them. Once you finish holding a button and once the headphones themselves start flashing, all you have to do is just go into your phone, go to the Bluetooth and find Tozo OpenEgo. Pretty easy setup. And then once you have one of them paired, all you have to do is just pretty much hold this one for a couple seconds to turn it on, and both of these will be paired. Now to turn them off, all you have to do is just put them inside the case, or if you want to, you have to hold 5 seconds on one of them to turn them off. As I mentioned, both of these are separate, so if you, for example, only want to listen to the right headphone, you can do that. You can turn this one off or put it in the case, which is pretty cool. So they do work separately as well. Now, when it comes to the fit, both of these do loop around your ear. There's a right and left, so make sure you grab the right one. So this part ends up hooking around your ear. Here is where the speaker is they are very comfortable, very light as well. They do have the secure fit because I did end up trying to shake my head around seeing if these would fall off and then don't. So that's definitely a good news. They are very compact as well, very small. The case itself is not the smallest I've seen, but it needs to be bigger because these are open ear headphones. That these aren't one of those small in-ear. To be honest, I do prefer this kind of design. In-ear headphones don't always work for me. It's kind of hard to find the right fit, and it just doesn't want to go inside the ear. So I definitely prefer open ear. When it comes to the audio itself, these headphones do have 16.2 millimeter extra large dynamic driver, and the audio is pretty good. Now, these headphones also have the app, which is called Tozo app, and you can end up switching different EQ. So even if you want to adjust the sound a little bit more bass, treble, and stuff like that, you can end up getting the app itself. And also with the app, you can end up updating the firmware as well. When it comes to the battery life, these headphones with the case have 30-hour playtime, which is quite amazing. The battery case has 600 milliamp battery, while the earbuds have 100 milliamp. So far, I definitely love these headphones. I also love the case. So to put them in back inside the case, you have to find the little 2 pins, and then you're gonna just kind of slide them in. And that's one, and then you're gonna do the same thing for the other ones. So once you close the case, you will see the battery percentage here, and then they will end up charging inside the case. Once the case is empty, of course, all you have to do is just plug that in, end up charging the case, and through the case, you end up charging the headphones themselves. So my first impression is very positive. I do like how comfortable they are. I do love the fit. Also, I do like the design. Case looks pretty amazing so far. I do like that LED on it as well. Best of all, these do have good audio, so I would definitely recommend them. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.